Hey, Josh Goff with Commonwealth Curb Appeal coming at you on a rainy Friday. Our crews are getting a 3-day weekend this weekend, which is great. They've been working really hard. It's been really hot and dry around here, so it was time for a break. But I wanted to come at you today with a video on project protection. Anytime you have a contractor coming in your house or working around your house, you definitely want to make sure that they've got the protection of your home in mind. A couple of things that we do, we haven't always done, but we've started to do since we've learned over time. Protecting screen porches. It's nearly impossible to clean dust out of screens, and dust when it goes through the screens and covers outdoor furniture is a mess. We use as much dustless cutting technology as possible, but when you can't use dustless, or machines going back and forth on a dry dirt ground creates a lot of dust, it's just easier to protect the screen porches. One of the other things that we do is protect drainage systems that we're installing. So like you can see here, we've got a fabric to keep all the mud and stuff out of the drainage system. It's doing its job. It's keeping all that dirt out. We'll pull that out after we're finished. You know, we stake those so that you can so the guys know where they're at and we don't run over them. And you know, there's other things we do, but while I'm out here on my day off, just want to put together a quick video for y'all. So if this has been helpful and you'd like more information on outdoor living projects, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can either search Commonwealth Curb Appeal on YouTube, or you know, check us out on Facebook or Instagram. Thanks a lot and have a great day.